So now we discuss the pop method. So my list, I have the my list. I have created index my list, and I have the list contains 1 2 3 4 8, and I extend the value by appending 8 and 9 another list into my list, and the my list becomes 1 2 3 4 8 9, right? Now the I want to sum it, is sum is 27 because it sum out all the elements inside the list. And the pop, the method pop is used to remove by indexing a value by indexing. For example, if I not mention an index, pop method will what will do, it will extract the last element from the list and give my result. For example, I want to I am executing this one first, and my list I have printed, it is showing 1 2 3 4 8 9, and now I have used the pop technique. It will extract 9 from the list, and the my list, if I want to print my list once again, it will show 1 2 3 4 8, not 9. Okay, now I want to extract the indexing by indexing. For example, I want to extract 1. Suppose I want to extract 3. So what will you use? 1 0 1 2. I'll pop the second index, 0 1 2, second index. That means I want to pop 3. And what will be the my list now? What are the elements it will contain? It will contain 1 2 excluding 3, 4 and 8. The result will come 1 2 4 and 8. 3 is excluded because we have popped out the second element. Okay, similarly my list I want to pop out by using pop method. I want to pop out from this list. Now my list contains 1 2 4 8. I want to pop out the second, the 4 1. So what will use? 0 1 2, the index 2. Okay, it will pop out the 4, and my list will contain, now if you check my list, it will contain 1 2 8. In this way we can 1 to 8. In this way you can this is another way of extracting the element from the list. Okay, and it is not extracting, it is also removing that element from the list by pop. Okay, and indexing already we have discussed. Now I have assigning, that is a count technique is there, the count method. It will count the number of elements. For example, I have put it 1. My list contains 1 2 3 4 1 again 2 7 9, like this way. I want to count how many ones are there in my list, so I can use the count method. Dot count 1. Okay, for example, I want to count 2 set. Okay, and I have run this one. I want to count 2 how many times it is present. It is 3 times, I think. Okay, 3 times. 2 is present 3 times. Okay, not required this one. There is a clear command, remove all elements from. I want to remove all the elements. Now I want to assign some other values. So what will use? I will use the clear method. My list, this is my list, means this is my list name. I have created my list. Okay, this is my list name. This is the variable name where the list, this list is stored in my variable. That name is my list. Okay, so that my list, I want to clear all the contents of my list used by using the clear techniques, clear method. Now if I check my list, it will show blank, nothing is there. This is a blank element. Okay, there is another technique to by index technique, dot index method is there. So you can see what is the dot index. Not required to go here and there. You can just, I have already mentioned, write dot index before this parenthesis. You can shift and tab, use the shift and tab button. You can see what is the index function, the syntax. This is the value, this is the start position. Start from here, it will start. And there is another, the third parameter is, this is the first parameter, value, which value it will search. Index dot index will search the value, which value it will search, from where it will search, from which index. This is the starting index, starting value, and till kahan pe jaake, where it will stop. It will stop this position. So So this index, what is doing here, it is just searching the value of 2 starting from 0th index to 5 index, 5th index, and the returns, if you check, this contains 1 2 3 4, and I am searching 2. First start search 1 is not there. Search here, yes, it's found, and here it doesn't found, here it doesn't found. 0 1 2 3, 0 1 2 3 4 till the 4th index, and it doesn't found, so it will gives returns 1. Only one time it's found. How many times 2 found? One time 2 found. If I mention 5, it will return 2, because it will search till 4th index, from starting 0 to 4th index, not 5th index. The last one is -1. Okay, to 4th index, 0 1 2 3 4th index. Yeah, 5th index means it will check from this one, from 1 to 2. And how many 2 is present, how much, 2 to 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, 0 1 2 3 4 5, the 2 to 2. Here, how, what is searching, is searching 3 starting from 2nd index to the 5th index. And it is present where 3 is present, it is present in the 2nd index. It is return the index, sorry, this is my wrong, that I have told how many, it is not counts, it just returns the index. So you need to check shift tab, what it returns, it returns the index value, clearly mentioned, it returns the index value, not the count of the value. It returns the index value. That means 2, where 2 is present, in which index 2 is present, starting from 0 to the 4th. Okay, the stop to the 5th index. This is the 5th index, starting from 0 to 5, where 2 is present, and it will search and find. Okay, similarly 3, it search and find from, if it start from 2, then this is the 0th position, this is the this is starting from 3, you will start from 2, matlab 0 1 2, till the 5th, and it is present in which condition, it is second, 0 1 2. Similarly 3 is present in 5th index, this is 2 is present, searching 2 starting from 2nd, 0 1 2 3 4 5, 2 is present in the 5th index, because it starts from, if it starts from 0, then 2 is present in the first index, 0, and this is the first index, but we are starting from 2, second position, so 0th position, this is the first position, from the second position, if we check from second position, 2 where it is present, 2 is present in 5th, 0 1 2 3 4 5th location, so it returns 5. Similarly, another function is the minimum of my list. If I use the minimum function, it will returns what is the minimum of this list, what is the minimum and what is the maximum. We can use the minimum and maximum. Okay, and if I multiply with 2, the every number, it will not multiply by 2, rather it repeats 2 times, my list into 2, if I will do, it will repeat 2 times. See what happens, because if I want to multiply, some people think that it will multiply with every value and multiply 2, 1 into 2, 2 into 4, not like that, it just repeat the list in 2 times if I put 2. and next one is the insert